Hello everybody, this is my laptop, my favourite laptop. It does all the things that I need it to do really well. But I was doing some videoing last night, some video editing, and the chip temperature got up to 75, which I've never seen before. I was pushing it, so when I say pushing it, I was expecting quite a lot of it. So it let me know that it might be ready for a bit of a service and a bit of a clean of the fans. So I'm just going to have it apart and have a look at the fans and give them a quick clean. I probably should do the thermal paste while I'm at it, but I won't. Maybe I'll do a different video about that. I don't mind taking it apart twice. It's cool. Right, so what have we got? We've got Samsung R7, R510, 510R. From 2013. I tell you what though, it's been an absolute banger right from the start. i7 chip, 8GB of RAM, 64 megabyte operating system. It's just been great. So let's see if we can get a bit more life out of it. I'm not sure if I've taken it apart before. If I have, I don't remember, but I'm going to go as I would normally and start at the beginning. So hard disk drive out and RAM, presumably. Should I get my better screwdrivers? No, I think I'm going to be fine. Now then, we all know about losing parts, so I'm going to go and get something to keep them in. Okay, it seems to slide out this way. And we got some RAM, which I'm just going to remove. Do I need to remove the RAM? I probably will need to remove the RAM, so I'm going to remove the RAM. And then we'll have the hard disk drive, which, is it screwed in? Yes, it is screwed in. Oh, you know what? I'm going to go and get a better screwdriver. Hello, cat. Really? Anyway, onwards and upwards. So I think I've got the right size screwdriver, but let's say a look. That's a bit better. Right, so it is literally lift, and I'm going to take the lead off the motherboard rather than taking the lead off of the disk drive. Be careful with these, he says. Anyway, no damage done. Disk drive out. Okay, so next. Anything else obvious in there? No. Probably a bit of dirt. Hopefully I'm fast forwarding this bit for you. Yeah, you know what? Scrap the cardboard idea today. A little compartmental box. Case screws in that one. Okay. Don't knock the screws on the floor, Bob. That'd be terrible. These two bad boys here, presumably off the case. Now they are different again, but they're the same as these little silver ones that we use to hold in the disk drive. I hope I don't need to tell you just to be careful when you put in screws back in. You see the length difference. If you tried to use a longer screw in somewhere that should have a shorter one, you're going to start protruding through the other side, and these things are slim enough already. Just put the same screw back in the same place. Okay, that seems to be all those case screws out. And like I said, I don't remember how to get it open, so let's see what comes if out. No, the keyboard does not come off first. Cat wants a part in the video. Anyway, I don't think I have had this one apart before, so I'm going to have to get a podger.